Hi folks, welcome back. Hello from me and Simba. As you can see, the mullet's getting longer. Hopefully maybe get a chance to get my hair cut this week. And just I refuse to queue. Anyway, on with this. Going to try and get this soundproofing off the floor today. We'll get half of it done anyway because I'm running out of time, so we'll see how we go, see how easy it comes off. I've noticed I've got a little patch there in the corner where I've just took off this little rust patch and a hole's appeared, so hence why I'm going to take it off just to see any further damage. So here we go. Just stuck you on fast forward and we can race our way through this rather than I'll let you watch 2.5 hours of me chiselling, soundproofing off the floor. Quite surprised at how good it was. But anyway, wee cup of coffee, Simba over to have a nosy at what I'm doing and have a sniff at my coffee. But as I was saying, quick chisel again. As I say, I'm really surprised at how good the metal is underneath this. I was half expecting to get a surprise. A little lump in the floor here where some morons jacked it up on the sill and pushed the floor up as per usual. Just clean the bitumen off the chisel. It's getting clagged up, so back to it. They dug over for a bit of I want out daddy, going to take me for a wander. Anyway, better take the dug out. And then back to it. I was actually quite surprised at how easy it's coming off. I thought it would be a bit of a nightmare task, but it's turned out not too bad. A couple of old knackered chisels that I've got that I use for just beating things with, and yeah, they're making surprisingly short work of it. But sorry for the delay in getting videos up, but I've been rather busy. I've been doing a refurb of my daughter's bathroom, full strip out and retile and whatnot, so she's been keeping me out of mischief for the last couple of weeks, so hence I've not had a chance to get into the garage and get some work done, some real work. So I'm hoping to sort of get back into it again this week and get a few things finished and get back to it. As you can see, that's one side of the floor, soundproof removed. As I say, really good condition. The metal's in really good condition. 2 wee surface rust bubbles and 1 wee hole in the corner under the footpad for the passenger seat, which I'm sure we can sort out a little patch panel for. Give it a wee clean up. So I'll do another little vid middle of the week to the end of the week, just get the rest of it off, and I'll just I won't a video of me taking it all off again. I'll just give you a little update video sort of thing to show you the rest of it off, and hopefully the week after I will have my rotisserie and get it up onto that, and I can get the stuff off the underside of the floor, get it ready for the sandblaster, and maybe order the 2/4 panels and get the 2/4 panels off, and then it's full steam ahead and start practicing this welding again. Got on with that. So yeah, as I say, this was just a wee quick update video, let you know that I'm still alive and kicking, and we'll see what happens. But that's this one for now. Wee cup of coffee on the go there. Missy just brought me a coffee in, so. And on that note, here comes Simba to drink my coffee.
Well, I know you want that bloody coffee, don't you?
And that's us basically. So anyway, hope you all enjoyed the wee video. If you did, give us a like and a subscribe. And we'll see you when we catch up with you the next time. Stay safe out there, people. Ta-ra for now.